Hi guys, Jeff here from TaT. Just to get a quick reminder that the Autocare conference is on this year from the 9th and 10th of June up in Brisbane. A great 2-day training conference with some great trainers from here and from overseas going to be presenting. Now thanks to the AAA, they've given us 2 free passes. So the passes are for both days at Autocare, valued at $495 for us to give away to our members. And we're going to do that in the way of our repair solutions and good scope scan data. So any member that uploads repair solution and or good scope scan data between now and the 27th of March will go into the draw for one of those passes. So 2 passes for both the days at the Autocare conference on the 9th and 10th of June. So we urge all our members, get involved if you want to get a free pass and upload some stuff onto our website. Good luck for the draw. As I say, we're going to be doing it on the 27th of March. So keep an eye out, we'll do that draw and hopefully you're one of those lucky winners of those passes. See you then.